Judge Me Import Reviews, How to Add Reviews on Your Shopify store. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with importing reviews onto your Shopify store. So let's get started. Now, Shopify is an amazing platform for e-commerce. However, there is one tiny issue with Shopify, and that is that it does not have its own default review application or review setup. So if you want to add your own review widget and if you want to import reviews from AliExpress, then you can do that with a simple application called Judge Me. So we're going to head on over into our Shopify dashboard. Then we're going to click on Settings on the bottom left. Then we are going to click on Apps and Sales Channels, and we're going to click on the top right and open up our Shopify App Store. Once we open up our Shopify App Store, we are just going to search for the Judge Me application. So I'm going to go on and search for Judge Me. Now, the Judge Me product review application has two different variants. You have Judge Me product reviews app, and then you have Judge Me AliExpress reviews. If you just want to create a review widget on your Shopify store, then all you need is the product reviews app. But if you want the AliExpress reviews to be imported onto your Shopify store, you're going to need the other one as well. So first, we're going to install just the product reviews app, and then later on, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get AliExpress reviews as well. So you're going to click on install over here to proceed with installation of Judge Me. Then you're going to have your basic app onboarding. So on the left, you will see Judge Me reviews, and I just like to pin this to my navigation. Then over here, you're going to click on Start Setup. And once you click on Start Setup, you have to enable the Judge Me application on your Shopify store. So now it has been made really easy. Simply click on the Enable App Embed button here, and this will open up your online store editor. Then from the top left, you have to enable the new application. So this has been enabled, and you're just going to click on Save. When you click on Save, this enables Judge Me to add their own review widget. Then go back into your first tab and then click on Continue. Then you have to install the review widget. So click on Install Review Widget, and again in your other tab, it's going to open up your online store editor. Once it does, you guys will see on the left under your product information, an application review widget is going to be added. So the review widget is placed under your related products, but I prefer to keep my reviews right under the product information rather than being under related products. So we can customize this, and we can go on ahead, and we're just going to click on this from here and then move it up. And now the review widget is going to be present right under the product, and then below that we would have recommended products. Then click on Save. Once you click on Save over here, you can go back into your original tab, and then your review widget will be installed. Next up is your star ratings badge. So click on Install Star Ratings, and again in your other tab, it's going to open up the star ratings. And then over here, you guys will see star ratings are added at the bottom of your product information, which again is not the ideal spot. So you're going to hold your star ratings from the left and then move them right under the title of the product. Now our star ratings are going to be placed over here. Depends on where you prefer. Some people like to enter their star ratings at the top. Some people like them under the price. So this just depends on your personal preference. I like to have the star ratings under the product name. So this is where I like to place them. Then click on Save, and then go back into your original tab. Click on Continue. Then you have to set up your branding. So this includes the colors you want to use. I like to change my branding colors into yellow. The reason for that is this is going to make the review widget stars yellow, and I like the yellow color on those. So I'm going to make it a nice bright yellow like this, and then click on Continue. Then we have automatic review requests. So this would automatically request people that have purchased products from us to review them. And this is after 14 days, which is pretty standard considering my products would be delivered within that time period. And then I'm just going to click on Finish. Once I do that, I will have my onboarding completed, and our review widgets are going to be installed on our Shopify store. However, more customizations can be done. So if you click on over here, I'm going to continue with my free plan. And if you click on widgets on the left, you will see there are several other widgets. First off, we installed our review widget and our star rating badge, but we can include things like review carousels, pop-up reviews, review snippets on other pages of our Shopify store. So first off, I'm going to customize our original 2 widgets, and then we can proceed with other review options. We're going to click on customize over here, and you guys can see you can add the review widget on product pages. This has already been installed, but we're just going to view it once more. And you guys can see some customizations are not available, but other customizations like the primary color you want to use are. So I want my primary color to be a deep pink color, like so. And then I want my star color to be a bright yellow. And that's just my personal preference on how I like to color things. Then I can customize some of the text if we're on the premium version. We're just going to save it as it is. And then below that, so if we go over here, we have photo and video permissions. If you want to allow your reviewers to upload photos, or if you want reviewers to upload videos. Let's say I want to allow both photo and video reviews, but I want to mute the videos by default. You can also create a media grid if you like. Then you have product metals that you can include, as well as review source, and then just click on save. Once you do that, your review widget has now been customized. Now, if I open up my online store, I can see my review widget within any product. Let's say we have this product here, and if I scroll on down, you guys can see this is my review widget, and this is what it looks like. I can enter ratings and enter other information and submit my review. Now, this is just your basic review widget. However, reviews are not going to be displayed on your home page, whereas some people like to have some type of customer reviews displayed on their home pages. This can establish more trust and reliability in your brand. So if you want to do that, you can go into Judge Me, click on Widgets, and then choose the type of widget. So I want this to be on my home page, and I think I'm going to go with the review carousel, which is pretty standard. I'm going to click on customize, and then we can click on install. And if you want to do this the other way around, you can simply click on online store, and then once you click on online store, you can click on customize. Once you click on customize over here, you're going to click on add section, then you're going to click on apps on the left. Then after that, you're going to choose what you want to add. So we want the review carousel, and this will be added. And once the review carousel is added, you will see it at the bottom. Currently, we don't have any reviews to display, so it's probably not going to display the widget as well. But as soon as you start getting reviews on your Shopify store, it will start displaying them in the form of a carousel over here. And just like that, you can import reviews onto your Shopify store using Judge Me. Now, if you want to import reviews from AliExpress, all you have to do is open up your Shopify app store as you previously did and open up Judge Me and download the Judge Me AliExpress application. So simply choose this application from here. Once you install this application, go on to AliExpress. And as our application is being installed, we're going to find a similar or the same product from AliExpress, and we're going to import those reviews onto our Shopify store. So we're just going to install this application. And if you want to use the AliExpress application, you do need to have the Judge Me Reviews application beforehand. And let's say we have liquid lipsticks as some of our products. Yeah, so we have liquid lipsticks, and I just want to add the reviews for liquid lipsticks. And I'm just going to go on to AliExpress, search for liquid lipstick. Once I do that, I'm just going to find a product that is similar to my product, so the reviews are similar to mine. Copy the link of this product, go back into Judge Me, and then I'm going to paste in the AliExpress URL after the name of my Shopify product, and then I can start importing reviews. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.